Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Hey y'all, today's Sunday. Here I work doing a 12-hour shift and I'm hungry. I got 10 more hours, but I want to order something, but I don't know because Uber be too damn expensive. And then I don't know if I want to walk because it's too damn cold outside. I have snacks and stuff, but I need some food. Like I need some rice and peas and something. So, time right now. I can snack on this. It's at work looking like. I can't wait to get some real food. I mean, I will order real food, but I'm about to get my money like that. Nah, I'm gonna cook tomorrow though. Some rice and peas and curry chicken. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna cook tomorrow. I had jerk chicken over Thanksgiving already, so I don't wanna cook no jerk chicken. I gotta go to ShopRite in the week because I don't have no more chicken left. So yeah, you gotta go to ShopRite soon. I'll be changing these bottles of money because when you buy these, they already take the money from it. Like they charge it. Like, do you ever notice when you buy a case of water, you see like they take money from it? Like, I feel I'm trying to say. I be seeing on my receipt. I be seeing on the screen too. I'm like, why did they just charge me twice? Like, they charge me for the price of the water, and they charge me for the, like, NY State, whatever. If you understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna go get that money back tomorrow, or in the week, one day in the week, because I think I have like 3 bottles of water left. So yeah. It's cold as hell outside. It's freezing. Every time somebody comes through this door, oh my god, it's so annoying because I'm freezing. Like, why? You know what I'm saying? Like, why the hell is it so cold? I want to order Uber, but I don't want to order Uber. Like, I'm really dead ass. I'm being cheap right now because I'm in the city too. Hell no. I check my email. They do send me coupon code, and I don't have one, so I'm not about to spend money on Uber. I'm off work, y'all, and it's raining. I got my umbrella though, but I'm just saying. That sucks. Trying to get this train. Hope I don't miss it. You're cleaning the station. See? You looking at dirty. You clean the station. But where's the train at? This is an E. I'm waiting for the A. The train is coming in 1 minute. I'm gonna get home like 1 o'clock. So this shit is gonna go local. It's gonna go local. I'm not really tired at all. Usually when I do a 12-hour shift, I'll be tired. But I started taking my vitamins, so I think that's working, and I'm glad. Good morning, y'all. Well, good afternoon. It's Monday. And I'm cooking my rice and peas. I'm making my curry chicken because, yeah, I need that. And I'm cutting up the chicken right now. Hey, y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Aniki. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So I'm cooking right now. It's Monday, November 27th. I wish I have some plantain though. I don't have no plantain. I bought this from Shein. I'm gonna do the unboxing tomorrow. But I just wanted to test them out to see if they work. This rice and peas is boiling. I'm gonna use parboiled rice because I'm trying to stay away from white rice for a while. Why does the water look so white? It's red. The camera is making it look white and it's not.
Ready? Coachy load from in a Netherlands. Where the grabbers think like Ali get up on. Whiskey, today we are the weatherman. A boy should have dropped, but the better jump. Long time we no kill.
Oh my god, this shit is ready to go. Because I was over the stove. I have to be. Because I was curled up. So hopefully they work. Ooh. I did rub ice on my face too this morning when I brushed my teeth, so. Oh no, okay. I'm about to go in the shower. Rice and peas finished, the curry's still gone. Rice and peas done. And curry chicken there. Chicken is finally finished.
A few days later.
y'all. I just got to King's Plaza. Today is bro, I'm just stressing about the dates. Today is December 2nd. I'm right here in front of Primark. I'm about to go in and see what they have real quick. I will come down here to do something for my cousin. I don't need nothing. I'm not buying nothing for myself. I'm not buying nothing for money. I had a jacket that found something there. From Shein. And it's a large. I'm sure I get medium. But, oh, sorry. You know, it looks a bit big. I'm not going to say nothing back. I can't bother. God no, I can't bother. I just go through the side there. Kimani no jacket on them. Kimani good. Yeah. Hey y'all, my new subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it so much. So much. Spread the love. Spread it. But yeah, I appreciate it so much, y'all. Like, I'm trying. Ooh. So I was watching a Jamaican YouTuber, Indian Jamaica wildlife. Wait there, look at me properly. Oh, they got the tea stuff here too. Kung Fu tea. I was practicing put on lashes. I honestly don't know if they're on properly. They look like they're alright. But they got cupcakes right here. Yeah, I'm going to I could be distracted, sorry. Yeah, this place right here. The Philly cheesesteak place. I want to try it, but I think I'm gonna go do what I need to do first and then come back. Cause I did eat before I left out. But yeah, I was saying, we see from Jamaica. You got in Jamaica walk by. Adrian. Yeah. I think I said your name. Sorry. It must be my name. Burlington there. I don't want nothing. I did not come here to shop, okay? I'm not coming to spend money. Well, look at this. Let me go into Sephora real quick. They have, you know, the little mini perfume set. Let me see if they have. I thought I was gonna come spend money with. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay. Never seen on perfumes again.
She like the way that I dance. She like the way that I move. She like the way that I rock. She like the way that I move.
Getting some done right here for my cousin. I just remember, I saw these just now. I just remember I left my chain. Never leave the house without my mama, and I'm like, damn, I don't got my chain on. I think it's because I was putting these damn lashes on that I forgot my chain. I usually, after I put my shirt on, I usually put the chain on afterwards. So, I'm finished what I'm doing. My cousin, so I'm just gonna browse around a little bit. See if they got sale. I don't know why I'm doing that because I'm just spending on money. Alright, I'm gonna go and Charlotte. See what I want. They definitely have Christmas sweaters and stuff. I really don't need no clothes. I don't know why I'm in here.
She like the way that I move, and she let it clap for a nigga. And she throw it back for a nigga. Yeah, she throw it back for a nigga. Like a Mary. Galaxy 3 Christian Dior, I'm up in all the stores. When it rains, it pours. She like the way I like a Mary.
It's this. I don't want to put the
I was cleaning up and I'm like, yo, I need to give some stuff away. I have so much clothes.
Cause I'm a window shopper. Mad at me, and you know why. window shopper. Straight like that. I will let them take over a whole area like I them alone and walk. Idiot thing that. I'm gonna put like my son in advance sale. We all like to have a end of season sale. Let's see what they have.
Oh, dia saya Pokemon itu. Kami ini sudah ada film here. Sampai juga ini sudah bohong. Sampai here. I saw this is on this nice. This is on finishing line for $20. Yes it is. What the sale price now? I mean, I guess it's not bad. Look at prices. These are nice. These are cute. I got this color. The black one. And oh, I got a blue one. Sure. Yeah, it's okay. I don't see the blue one on there for $20. I don't know why. I don't see it right there. These are cute. And $110. What is sale price at? Oh, nice. I like those. I haven't seen those in so long. That ain't fair, bro. Sale price is below 100 for me. Like 60. That's sale price for me.
We stay
Oh, how much is this on sale? No, it's not. Dang, this is so. Oh my god, I love the color. 110 though? Oh no, 140, not even 110. Just say 140, my boy. It's not focusing. But y'all see that price though? Wow. I'll be damned. Color. But the price is 100. Okay. These are 90s. So where can you wear these? These not bad, but
Bro, it's so hot. It was so freaking hot in that damn store. Is it wrong that I saw somebody, like, it was a group of girls, like, there was a couple of sneakers, right? And one of them was just, like, standing, and she was posing. And I saw her in the corner of my eye, but I didn't really see it fully see. I had to turn her on, because I thought it was like a mannequin. I thought it was a mannequin, but she was posing, girl. You should be a model, girl. I'm going the wrong way. Did I tell you I could spot a Jamaican? That's one of the lovely. You can't put a Jamaican anywhere, yo. Don't get me wrong, I love them, you know, one of the people. But we can't put it anywhere. Oh no. As soon as them mess up a Bob Marley don't play, Bob Marley will be copyright anything. Stop it right here. No, I'm not looking. This one online. This one smell good. They don't smell good. I don't like them similar. I'm not lying. Alright, I'm try that one now. Don't let nobody. It smells very light. That perfume there, them Versace perfume, they smell hot. Them don't smell good. These really smells on the current. At MCM. The Versace one, what I was smelling, I don't know why I bought it goes to me because it goes smell good in here though. This morning when I cleaned up, I was like, I need to get my Rihanna perfume again because I love that perfume. They probably don't even have it. Do you have Rihanna?
Yes. Which one?
The Riri.
You know the bottle? Yeah.
Oh, they do have it. Let me see what to do. Oh, I know that. I just want to know the price.
They have $49.95. You buy one, the second is half.
Oh. That's the one that's in front of it?
This one?
Yeah, that's it?
Yes.
I thought it was pink.
I don't know. Does it look pink? I don't know.
No, when I bought it, it was pink.
Unless it was
Unless
the
they
Kiss or
changed
the
it up.
Crush?
No, it was that one.
Okay.
Because that's the one when she first came out with it. Okay. So I met her. And that was not the person we found. They got a white bottle. A clear bottle. Huh?
What's going on in the store right now, man? We're not going to do the first one. We're going for the second inside.
I'll spend some there, right? That. Both sides. This is cute. Similar to what I have on. Let's see how much it is. It's cute though. I don't want. It's so good though. It's so really good. Got another one right here. But these are not crop. These are regular size. That one is regular size too. That's for me.
Hey girl, you can't style me, mama. When I check it, brand new man and nuts. Fine by me, move up you. Fine happiness, move up you. Enjoy.
Thank you. I just got, I forgot the macaron. I forgot to order the macaron. I should have got drinks from here. Damn.
The half size.
What's the price for half?
Price is $1.50 more in the half size.
$7.50?
Yep. Anything else?
That's it. Crazy. I didn't know they had drinks. I would have given me a blue drink.
Yes. Yes.
Everything, yeah. This man want me to spend almost $10 on cheesecake. I mean, cheesesteak. I don't even know how this should taste. Why would I spend so much money? I don't know. He wants something too tiny. How you gonna know what's good for me? Just give me my outside. Like, how you want something? It's a good size. It's a good size for me. It's not tiny. Not too. This guy want me to spend more money. That's something big. I don't know my name. What kind of size is something? This looks tiny to you? That looks tiny to you? Look on it, funny size. Look on it. No matter about it too tiny. This is good enough for me. Like are you easy army? Right. And then the fries. You want the fries no good. That's what I'm asking about right now, yeah man. Camera. I'm like, you know, I'm a little bit fries. Too much. That's right. I'll be damned. The other come up with $13. Hot, y'all. Take the jacket off. Ciao. I want to do a TikTok. It's refreshing. I like it. This shit tastes so good. I'll put everything on it because I want the experience. It tastes so good. Oh my god. They have chicken and other stuff. I will eat this again. The mayonnaise. Wow. Look at this now on some good food. I didn't my TikTok. I'm gonna post it later. I'm gonna post it in a few. Because this shit is so good. Oh yeah. Usually I don't like onions on anything, like burgers and whatever. But it tastes really good. The onions and the peppers and the mayonnaise and the cheese, it tastes so good. I'm about to go in Target to use their bathroom. I'll go to the bathroom real quick. I gotta pee before I get home because if I go home without peeing, I work tomorrow. Like I'm supposed to do a 12-hour shift tomorrow. Somebody's gonna get them kids out of Target acting stupid. Damn kids. My bus just pull up. Was it the right one? Or the other way? Or is it the local one? Oh, I must have already come out. Didn't ready it. But man, I'm gonna take out a break. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, y'all. I don't think so. Get my mind together, put in the work, stay focused, stay consistent. I mean, I have this. Me, I have this. But still. What's another cold? It's really nice. They were really nice. I was trying to go outside earlier when the sun when the sun was out, because right now it's like after 7. I think it's close to 7 something. I don't know if I know. One thing about this coat though, it's warm. I told you that. Might be big, but to keep me warm, and that's what matters. Okay, as long as it keep me warm, big or not. It's me laughing at myself. Like it's me making fun of myself. I didn't know. I thought I bought a medium. Child. On the room for something better. Hey. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, y'all, because people watch the video and they don't subscribe, and I'm like, it doesn't cost me anything to subscribe, but people just want to be people just want to be people. I appreciate today's, like I said, December 2nd. I got like 3 subscribers today, and I appreciate all of y'all. I don't know who y'all are, but I appreciate you guys. So thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. It's like every time I get maybe I don't know if it's me, but I do appreciate the little things like that. It's not little, but it's, you know, every time somebody subscribes to your channel, your numbers go up. So I be feeling motivated. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go edit a video. I'm gonna post a video today. Like I was editing it earlier. before I left out. I wanted to do Vlogmas. I wanted to, but I wasn't ready yet. I don't think I'm ready to do Vlogmas today. Next year for sure, I'm doing Vlogmas though. I'm gonna do Vlogmas next year. So I decided to not go on that bus. I want to go. I want the express because yeah, I'm gonna do one baga stop. One to my house. So we're gonna wait on the express one. Should be coming soon. Yeah. Another bus leaving again. The only reason I'm not on that bus is because he said the last stop is Eastern Parkway, so it don't make sense for me to go on there and then come off and wait to get from other bus from down here. I'm rather just wait right here. One thing I hate about the weekend, the train, express train running local. I hate it. I'm gonna have to take the L to Manhattan because I'm not doing all that at Utica. This is too much. Gotta take the C to Utica or the A, one on the local track to Utica. Then we gotta take a bus and go back on the train. I don't have time for that. It's too much. You have to walk 6 minutes. Yeah, I'm doing this. I'm glad I thought about this shit. Oh, look at all the Canarsie on this side. Because I can't bother. The Renaissance train. Because I'm seeing this. Just going this. Good morning. Today is December 6th. And I'm starting off my morning with a little self-love, a little skin, you know. I'm just here relaxing before work. I don't know why my skin is looking foggy right now. I don't know. But I'm gonna fix it. It's a little foggy. I did rub ice on my face before I put this on. But I'm watching these old shows on YouTube. It's called Built to Last. I watch a lot of old shows. Whoopi the other day. Good News. George. Did y'all know George? I didn't even know George Foreman used to act. He had a show called George, and Cheryl Lee Ralph was in it. She was playing his wife. I did not know that. I was watching another one with Vivica A. Fox and Dwayne Martin. What is the name of that one? Where is it? Oh, it's called Getting Personal. Yeah, I didn't even know. See, these shows come on. It's cool. I like that. Oh, Gina is in this one too. Oh, I'm guessing this one they got married. And she and Dwayne Martin was. Oh, they was. I mean, they've been together for a while. Well, they're not together anymore, but they was. Oh, it smells so good. I like the watermelon candle that I bought. Where I bought that candle from? I'm trying to remember where I bought that candle from. Damn, I've been buying so many candles. But yeah, this one more candle smells so yummy. It smells so good. I was burning it for a while. Hey y'all, I'm heading to work and today's Tuesday. Just don't know what, 8 or 7, but it's freezing out here. I feel like it's like 39 degrees. I feel like 30. This morning it was snow flurries. It's freezing. Yeah, I'm power walking. I'm trying to catch this train. So this is what I'm about to eat right now. Because the job has an event going on, so that's what I'm making this up. Tonight, the sun. Y'all, do y'all want sisters? Cause not Andy, Gary is a dirty crosses man, dirty waist man. Like I can't stand him. That man is something else. I am home from work and I have to watch it before I go to bed. I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow about it. I'm gonna watch this. Good night. Morning, y'all. Good morning. Happy Friday. I was saying last night about sisters. Oh my God, Gary is crosses, big dirty crosses. Can't stand him. This man, and then he's trying to manipulate the girl. Told my let's go talk outside alone. No, anytime a nigga say that, and then he crying. Then like they get busted, and they started crying. They always want to go talk to the girl by herself. I'm glad she didn't get up and go with him, because he was gonna manipulate the hell out of her. Freaking narcissists. Can't stand them. But Sistas is a show. I love my sisters. Oh, the sun is beautiful. It's a beautiful morning. Thank God it's Friday. I got paid today. Hate it. I just don't like Gary. You know how I have to play the hell out of his role when you don't like him. When he's like you don't like him, because he's fine as hell. I just don't like the role he play. You know, I don't like this. This man had a baby with someone else, right? And then he's trying to downplay Andy, trying to hurt Andy's feelings. Well, he did hurt her feelings. That's what they do. That's what they do. When you don't want them no more, who would have been trying to hurt your feelings? I wouldn't do that before, but whatever. Over it. They're definitely trying to hurt your feelings real bad. Oh, she that he was saying about Andy. So why she's not wifey material after nigga you proposed to her. Also she's not wifey material, right? After you proposed to her. Crazy. And then he went by Aiden, and Aiden was like, I got my woman. And he's like, oh, that girl don't want you, man. I mean, he right about that. She just knew it. But Aiden don't know that yet. Whew. What's his name? Tyler Perry always comes with a twist. It's always something. You always gonna twist it. Because I was trying to figure out everybody on Instagram trying to figure out why is Gary there. And look, Tyler Perry he done took the whole show. That's crazy. We was not expecting that. But let me get on this train. Look at the sun. Ooh, I came out the train station. I saw the sun. I gotta thank God for my blessings because some people didn't wake up this morning. You just gotta be grateful, okay? Like for real. The sun is shining. I don't know. I feel like I woke up in a good mood today. It's a beautiful day. God is good. It's Friday. I had like 15 minutes to spare. I think I'm gonna go to Bryan Park real quick and see what I have. What am I going with over there? Coffee shop. I don't want to walk to Times Square, but I know I'm gonna be late. And I'm not. Oh, I'm gonna go this way. I know I don't got time. I don't have time to be late. So I love my city. NY is the best city, okay? The best city in the world. Go to Bryan Park over there. See what they going on with. And the scaling. I wish I could skate. Oh god. I mean, it's so awkward on this pretty. I want to learn how to skate. Look how cool they look. Aww.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga either he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat.
I'm going to work now. I'm not trying to be late. I was 20 minutes early. I'm not trying to be late. Oh, I just got a notification. My package just got delivered. So I got 5 minutes. I left out really early today. I left at like 4 minutes to 8. Surprisingly, because you gotta be late. But I think I have an event today, so that's another reason I'm not buying a breakfast. And I had a smoothie before I left out. I'm gonna see y'all later.
4 hours later.
I'm on lunch and I don't know what to eat. I think I don't know. I might go to Wendy's. I really want a Jollibee. Not Jollibee. Raising Cane's. I want to get some Raising Cane's, but I don't feel like walking down there right now. I swear. I love you want some Raising Cane's. I'm not on that bread. Oh, child. I feel like it's gonna be coming to $15. Let's try the Wendy's loaded burger. Raising Cane's, Wendy's. I don't know. I'm so indecisive. Ah, damn. I'm gonna go to Wendy's.
A few moments later.
So I was on my way to Wendy's, but I turned back because I was looking up the loaded burger thing, and I see they got jalapeno bun and all that. I'm not able to do that. I want chicken and fries and bread. So we're going to Raising Cane's. Love me some Raising Cane's. Right here. Oh, the damn bird go through my damn face. Raising Cane's over there. Look at the Popeyes. I don't know where to go. Good morning, America. Got the Grinch. You don't remember for that movie? There's a mini one. Where you going? You trying to fight? Why are you trying to fight? Alright, Popeyes is right here. Let me see. I get something from Popeyes. The final Popeyes got new wings, so. But over there, shit's not expensive. But we in the city, and you know how Popeyes is. It's different. You don't have this in Brooklyn. Fancy. to their house. Where's the wing? Oh, here it is. They got new wings. What is it? Look at that. Look at that shit. Oh, that's not bad. Hold on. Oh, there's so Christmassy in here. Everything is ready for Christmas. I'm gonna get my food. So I got like 9 minutes to eat my food. But this is it. I thought they were gonna give me 2 pieces. I had to lift the bread up. Like, don't play with me. I'm off work. I made one more order from Temu. And this is it's like the last order for the year, like for real. I'm done. Next year. But so I'm heading home and I have 2 packages for my friend. Pick up the packages for me. So I'm gonna get them from her. One of them came today. And one came like the other day, but I didn't pick it up last night. I just went straight home to bed. I'm about to go home this Friday. I have a date today, but honestly, I'm tired. And he's mad at me because I canceled. But honestly, I'm tired. I just want to go home. I keep telling him, like, I'll be tired after work, so I don't want to do anything. But we keep making plans on Friday. So I told him, I'm tired. And then he's going to get mad at me when I cancel. I've been told you, I don't want to do anything on Fridays. I just want to go home and relax.